Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. And today I want to continue talking about the OLSP Academy. This is a great affiliate marketing program that you can get started with if you're a beginner in affiliate marketing, or you've been trying to do affiliate marketing for some time, but you haven't really had much success with it. Well, this is an academy that teaches you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, and you also get the opportunity to earn while you learn. The OLSP Academy was founded by Wayne Crow. Okay, Wayne Crow, he's been marketing for almost 20 years now online, and he's made millions of dollars in this industry. And he created the OLSP Academy. It used to be called OLSP System. He created it at least 10 years ago. I think maybe it's been about 12 years since he's created it. And he just came out with a new platform for the OLSP Academy. And he's added some new things in it, some great training in here, and made it easier than ever to get started in affiliate marketing. I was in OLSP Academy a couple of years ago, but I had to put it on pause for 2 years because I had some health issues, so I had to deal with that. So I just got back into the OLSP Academy a couple of months ago. So I've been working this program ever since. Okay, so what you see on my screen here is like the back office of OLSP Academy, and in this you have like a community area where people come here and they post their results, they ask questions so other members can answer their questions. They introduce themselves. There's general discussions back here. So what you're seeing right here is all these people showing their results of what they're doing with the system, how everything's going, about the trainings and everything. And there's also a chat room. Let me click on that. There's a chat room where there's even more discussion, real-time conversations with the community. Okay, so you can go through here and look at what people are talking about back here. You can ask questions back here also. And there's also a skill center that you can go through different trainings. Now, when you join the OLSP Academy, you can join for as little as $7, and that's a one-time payment. And I can show you exactly what you get for that $7. Okay, let me go into the Skills Center. So with the Skills Center, for $7, you get what's called the Megalink. The Megalink is your one link that you promote online in order to generate leads and commissions. Okay, so the training for the Megalink, I just clicked on Megalink here so you can see all the training here. You get the Getting Started with the Megalink. This shows you what to do with your Megalink. It goes through a whole tour of the site and everything that you get with it. You've got Facebook 101 training. This training right here will help you learn how to generate leads with Facebook, free Facebook methods. Okay, you get the Journey to 1 million, which is a video showing you how to go from zero to $1 million in sales. You get Viral Hub training. Viral Hub is where you can generate some traffic to some of your Facebook posts or some of your other social media posts, but you can also get paid to use the Viral Hub. So this training right here will show you how to do that. Then you have this traffic challenge. The traffic challenge shows you other ways of generating leads using social media. Okay, so there's like 5 videos in this training. And then we have what's called the Getting Started with List Building, TD Pages, and the Magic Link. Okay, the one thing you want to do as an affiliate marketer is to build your email list. Building your email list is the most important thing in your business, because the larger you can build your email list, the more opportunity there is for you to make commissions, to make sales, okay, from people who are already on your list. Those people on your list, they get to know, like, and trust you as you send out emails to them every day. And then when you promote something to sell, some of those people may buy, okay? There's no guarantee, of course, but you up your chances of earning commissions when you build your own email list and these people get to know you, okay? So this is what this training is all about. There's 5 videos here all about how to get started with building your own email list, how to use their TD Pages software in order to generate those leads. And you're going to learn about the magic link where you can earn commissions every time a lead clicks on a link inside of your email. Okay, I have this magic link myself and I earn commissions from it. All right, so that's some of the training that you get with the Megalink. Okay, so let me go over to the affiliate side here and the promotion links. Now I'm going to have a lot more promotion links than a Megalinker because I am a community builder. Okay, I upgraded to community builder, but let me show you the Megalink here. Okay, go here. I'm going to click on this. All right, so with the Megalink, you can earn 100% commissions when your leads decide to join and get the Megalink for themselves. They pay $7 one time and you will receive a $7 commission. That's 100% commission you receive. Okay, this is an earn as you learn system that pays complete beginners real commissions for taking the training steps before they make a single sale. So you earn before you're ready. Real commissions hit your account while you're still in the training. 100% of every commission goes directly to you. No splits, no thresholds ever. There's zero tech required. All you got to do is promote that one link that you receive once you make your one-time investment of $7. Again, you're going to learn free traffic methods using social media, especially Facebook, so you can share your Megalink on those platforms. And there's live coaching several times a week, usually Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. There's real Q&A on Fridays. Real results happening live, okay? So I'm going to leave a link to this page. Actually, it's going to be an opt-in page that you're going to see first. You put your first name and your email address in there, and then you'll go to this page. All you got to do is click here, and then pay the one-time payment of $7 to access your Megalink, okay? Now, there is a 30-day guarantee, full refund, no questions asked. If you decide that this isn't for you, then you don't have to go through this, okay? So you can cancel before the 30-day period is over with, all right? So OLSP Academy has live training several days a week. And on this page right here, it shows you what upcoming trainings that are coming up here. Right now, the pull method that gets you buyers and not freebie seekers. That's on Tuesday. We got the Friday fix where you can ask Wayne Crow questions and he'll answer them. And he does this every Friday for about 30 minutes, around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Okay. And if you miss any of the live trainings, normally they'll be in the replay section down here. Okay, so this is a great opportunity for someone who is new to affiliate marketing. If you're new, this is a great way to get started. You don't have to create your own lead capture pages, landing pages, sales pages. All you need is that one affiliate link. Okay, and when people opt into that link and then they go to this page right here and they pay the $7, you will receive 100% commission. Okay, but let me show you back to the promotional link here, the Megalink. Okay, let me show you what page that people will actually go to. Okay, So this is the page that they'll go to right here. Get access to weekly live training from a 7-figure earner. Join the OLSP Academy for free and learn the exact strategies used to build a 7-figure online business. No fluff. All of that, okay? So they put in their name, their email address, and get free access. And then they'll go to that page that talks about the 100% commissions. And there's a whole sales funnel with this Megalink. So when people buy other products or services within this funnel, you'll also get 100% commissions on those too. Okay? So you'll learn more about that once you get started with the OLSP Academy. So I just wanted to go over real quick how you can get started earning online in affiliate marketing if you've never done it before or you've had problems making commissions before, how to get started easily and quickly with the OLSP Academy, okay? And I highly recommend this academy because Wayne Crow, he's been in this industry for, I think, almost 20 years now and has made millions of dollars. And the OLSP Academy has been around for at least 10 years, probably, I think, up to 12 years. And it's not going anywhere, okay? So this is a long-term affiliate marketing program. It's not one of those fly-by-night operations. It's not one of those get-rich-quick schemes. It's not one of those programs that just pops up every few weeks. A new program, a new shiny object pops up, and then they're gone within a few months. That's not what this program is, okay? This has been around for years. And if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link below in the description area below, and I'll also have it in the pinned comment in the comment section. Just click on that link, put your name and email address in, and then go to that page and pay the one-time investment of $7 in order to get started with the OLSP Academy. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.